create, we log in with password, we enter. So we are going to create new file. So we are going to click where is load, yes, load. Then we give it name. What was the name? What was the name of the medicine?
Mevazor.
Mevazor. Meva. Now the go. Meva. One. This is the name of the file. Here it's created. Mevazor. Now, okay, we say we click here, and we are going to take picture. The picture. We have to note that the auto should be deactivated and make trigger to take a picture. Here is the picture of the tablet. So we come to configure. Coming the configure, where we see here the area with something, and we have to check the corner or the area of the rectangle, the blister of the rectangle, and the data. We have to configure this one, these two rows, and we have to be sure that we have to check the margin, yes, the margin, and the here the height and the width. For us, it's around 1.6. We know that this is around 1.6. It's trial and error, so you can check and minimize and maximize. Here is we need to make it 8, and coming here we can select the rec and move, and we can select here. Now here size RGB, yes, select here RGB, and then here we create the area, but here is the line touch the tablet, so it's better to make it a little bit white, do not touch, I think, side RGB, like this, and again, sorry, it's better to make it like this. So we come in here, we will touch the medicine, I mean the tablet. Here, in center. Yes, in the center, we touch this one.
We can size ማድረግ እንችላለን.
We can we can adjust the size of the detection of the tablet by clicking the size RB. So where is the next? I think locate. We can see this is the tablet, the blistering tablet, how it looks like. So we need to fill the block in the units. Here if you count, it's around 60, and we fill the unit number of tablets around 60. So we make it like this, and we should count the blocks 1, 2, 3, 5. So 5 block, I have to fill this one like this. Now locate again, I think. Now look, it's marked correctly. So with the next, I think run to save the configuration. What's the next?
Trigger.
Yeah. Then we can trigger take a new picture in the manual. As you see, there is red line above the picture. That means it's good.
Green.
The green area show that there is no problem regarding it to the configuration. If there is red, for example, if we make out one genocide, change with the bad one, okay. So when it can take a picture, it looks like MPD. So when you make it manual, it show that red. That means there is problem. So now we are going to put broken tablet and take a new picture. We will put broken one and take a new picture. I think together. So now it's good, maybe, but it's broken. So what's not? It's broken, but it says that good. So we need to adjust again the configuration. Think here, because it's broken, it should not be fast. So more we get into coming more, and we here secondary check, and we will make the width and height buttons to be active for the tablet. Now I think it will be to save the data. Now you can check the figure. I think picture. This is it shows that there is a problem, so it will reject. One, the tablet is broken, and the other is out of the line. That means there is a problem. So like this we can configure. Now we touch the, we relocate the tablet to the proper position, and the broken is only remain bad. Like this we can configure. About the HMI, you have to we have to be careful that the detection, camera detection check. The camera detection should be on. One, we have to check that this is on station, on state. It should be on. Secondly, we have to fill the counter from the camera detection. So we have to fill this one also from the camera position to the cutter position. We have to count rejection position. We have to the cutting position. We have to count the blisters and put the number of the counter it should be. Anyhow, it's trial and error. You can adjust again and again to make it sure. I think the next maybe color. Then it should be auto. Yeah. At the end, it should be auto, in auto mode. Here, it should be auto, so that auto, it should be run, so it should be work automatically. For the color, about the color, the configuration, I mean, color when there is